projects that you're doing next?
Cloud seeding is happening, which is why you would see, suddenly there's a lot of rain coming to the UAE. Two, there is the Hyperloop conversation has been started again.
Whoa.
Now, whether it's going to happen or not, that's also another question. But then this means you have much shorter travel time between different Emirates and the UAE.
Flying taxis, are they coming?
They're happening. Other thing is, and this I couldn't verify, but I saw an announcement that residents of the UAE would be given premium access to ChatGPT. I was trying to verify this on my way here. I couldn't verify it, but it's one of those things circulating.